Okay, for speech communication, I chose the topic sports injuries. Sports injuries does occur by the millions each year in different and various sports. Some of the sports include football, basketball, wrestling, boxing, baseball, and so forth. Sports injuries is a common factor among these different types of sports. I have researched this information in order to bring this speech communication presentation. And I chose this topic after seeing a photo of a football team. It was an elementary football team. And I saw the photo, and it left me thinking about the story if the team won or if they lost. And anyhow, football became the main subject. And after that, it took me to the topic sports injuries. So this is how I came up with this specific topic for this assignment. And please follow with me on the slideshow. Speech communication. What is a sports injury? A sports injury is a physical injury that happens usually during a sport or during a physical game. Of course, all sports are physical, require physical energy. This can be something known as self-injury or injury sustained by another player. So, there's two types of sports injuries: self-injury and injury sustained by another player. And I think this was according to Google.com. I'm not sure if I reiterated it or edited the actual definition. Again, types of sports injuries. I guess this goes with what I had just said before. Long-term injuries where the athlete can take over 1 year in order to get back to the sport. And sometimes we do see this within different types of sports. Depending on the injury, some athletes don't go back to the sport, in their entire lifetime. Short-term injuries, where the athlete may be able to recover in a short period of time. This can be like a jogger, runner. They run and they pull a muscle. And once they pull the muscle, they're able to recover within 1 week. So that's a short-term injury. Our website sources that provide further information. So we have ncaa.org, ourmetric.com, usatoday.com, share.upmc.com. And another one that did not add on here is johnhopkinsmedicine.com, which is a website that provides information from doctors, clinics, and so forth, medical personnel. Next. 5. This is a visual aid. And this is, again, a football player wearing his protective gear. And here we have a runner. It seems that she's holding her ankle. So she may be feeling discomfort here after running. And there are ways to avoid this, such as taking breaks during running. And on the right side, we have a football player with the proper gear. So injuries do occur within football, within basketball, boxing, wrestling, you name it. Well, there's collarbone injuries. There's head concussions. I'm not too sure if it happens in basketball that often. Anyhow, those are common sports injuries. In conclusion, this is an extensive study that can require a great deal of information ranging from different organizations, institutes, and other means of reliable, informative sources. I've been able to write down information and been able to bring this presentation in order to complete this assignment.